Ever wondered how cucumbers and coconut come together to create a magic in your kitchen? Well, get ready for a taste sensation. Hey foodies, welcome back to Rashmi's Feel the Food. Today we are making Soutekayi Kayi Kadubu. Here Soutekayi translates to cucumber, Kayi stands for coconut and Kadubu means steamed rice cake. Kayi Kadubu is a traditional South Indian delight featuring steamed rice cakes filled with coconut jaggery mixture wrapped in aromatic turmeric leaves or banana leaves. Here we are creating Kayi Kadubu by incorporating the flavors of cucumber. If you are a lover of Kayi Kadubu, then you should give this recipe a try. Begin by rinsing and soaking 1 cup of regular dosa rice for an hour. After draining the rice, let it sit for 5 minutes. Take 2 medium-sized cucumbers. You can peel the skin or chop them directly. Grind the cucumbers and reserve some juice for later. Combine the drained rice with cucumber juice, add a pinch of salt and grind to achieve a dosa batter-like consistency. If needed, add the reserved cucumber juice to achieve the desired consistency as shown in the video. For the filling, combine 1 medium-sized fresh coconut, jaggery to taste, a pinch of salt and cardamom powder. While some may choose to cook this mixture until the moisture evaporates completely, we'll keep it as it is. It's up to your choice to cook this mixture or not. I have around 5 to 6 turmeric leaves. Use them for a unique aroma if available. Otherwise, banana leaves works perfectly. Ensure the banana leaves are flame touch to prevent breaking when folded. Now spread the batter on turmeric leaves or banana leaves. Top it with the coconut jaggery mixture. Boil water in a steamer. When the water is vigorously boiling, fold the leaves and place them for steaming. It's essential that the water in the steamer is vigorously boiling to properly set the kadubus. The kadubu should set instantly when you place them for steaming. Otherwise, as the batter is runny, it may leak and create a disaster. Steam this for about 30 to 40 minutes. After turning off the heat, allow it to cool slightly before serving. There you have it, Soutekayi Kayi Kadubu. Soft, aromatic and filled with the goodness of cucumber and coconut. Elevate the experience by serving it with a dollop of butter or ghee. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this flavorful experience, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Feel free to comment below with your thoughts or any recipes you would like us to explore. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.